In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to unlock Monkey in GTA 5 Director Mode. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Inside of Director Mode, you will be able to record many different clips with unique actors and settings in GTA 5. So as you might be aware, you can go over to Rockstar Editor, choose the option here, and load in. Now, one of the categories available inside of this menu is going to be actors, and when you go over to actors, you will be able to find animals that you can use to record these clips. However, if this is your first time accessing the animals categories, you might have noticed that a lot of animals just have a bunch of question marks, meaning that they are locked behind a certain objective. This is because you will have to unlock all of them. To do this, you have to gather a specific collectible found throughout GTA 5 Story Mode. What you have to do is find peyote plants. These are small glowing plants on the maps. Their locations will vary and they will be scattered all around the map in online or story mode. So all that you have to do is approach the plant and interact with it. Your character will consume the peyote plant and you will go closer to unlocking all of the animals. So the corresponding animal will be unlocked in director mode. You will have to collect all of these land and sea based plants eventually to unlock all of the animals available as actors in GTA 5. This will only work for consoles besides the PlayStation 3 and Xbox 360 because director mode is not available in there. So all that you have to do is go over to all of these locations. Sadly, I cannot show you the path and a specific location for every single peyote plant, but I'm still going to give you a general rundown. And as long as you go over to these specific locations on the map, you will be able to gather all of the peyote plants available in GTA 5 and finally unlock all of the animals, including the monkey. So just gather the peyote plants, and this will also give you a specific achievement that you can use. So all that you have to do is gather the peyote plants to unlock all of the animals available. I hope I was able to help you on how to unlock Monkey in GTA 5 Director Mode. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.